Naval aviation in Goa and tourists were on hit list of ISIS. Arrested ISIS terrorists revealed to ATS Maharashtra. ISIS Deputy Chief Khalid Ahmed stayed in Margao in a rented premises. Sumul declares its Goa business plans. Dairy promises to give medical and other supports to Goan dairy farmers to begin operations from Kankona, Kape, Sange and Sattiri. Pradesh Congress Executive Crucial meet today. GPCC to discuss CCP poll contest. Proposal of Rudresh Sodankar panel before committee. Rudresh seeks Congress backup. Unknown body in pool of blood near Ruedi Ore Creek. Body not yet identified. Some identified deceased as resident of Kamrabhat Taligaon. NSALSET tops list in filing suggestions and objections on regional plan. Out of 6,000 objections, 1,200 from SALSET. Bardes on second position, Mormugaon lowest. ISIS plans to target foreigners in Goa and attack vital defence installations in Goa and Maharashtra. A Hindustan Times report says the terror chief has revealed this during ATS probe. Shafi Armar alias Yusuf, former Indian Mujahideen and now ISIS terrorist, has made elaborate plans with ISIS chief Mudabbir Sheikh and his deputy Khalid Ahmed Ali Nawazuddin alias Rizwan. Khalid stayed in Margao in a rented premises, while Armar indoctrinated youths in India. Khalid had paid 1,15,000 as rent advance for the rented house in Margao. Gujarat Sumul Dairy has declared its Goa business plans. Managing Director Jayesh Desai said the dairy will provide medical and other supports to the farmers. Amul is an 21,000 crore empire absorbing 17 dairies under it. One of amongst is Sumul. The state government has requested them to procure milks from the state and give benefits to farmers. The dairy will provide medical and other support to local farmers in Kankona, Kape, Sattiri and Sange. The milk is procured from Goa and Maharashtra. Sumul management addressed media.
We started marketing milk in Goa by hiring one plant at Igloo. Today we are selling 30,000 litre milk per day under the brand name of Amul in Goa. After 1 year procedure, last month we got approval for procuring milk from 4 districts of Goa, not whole of Goa. That you should develop good animal husbandry practices, good breeds. Even they have told that if our farmer needs animal, then from your milk shed area, you can supply good quality of animals. So in this way, Goa government wanted to have good practice demonstration in some part of this district. So looking to this, that it will be a good healthy competition between cooperative structure operating here, private structure operating here. When one farmer is getting good price, Goa Dairy will also have to give good price, and Goa Dairy will also have become quality conscious in their procurement. We are not political person. So here I will not talk anything about Goa Dairy. Where there is a private parties operating, their main motto is to earn profit. And for that, they have to keep their milk prices little lower than our cooperatives. Goa Dairy और अमूल से उनके price कम होंगे, लेकिन they play with the fat and nutritive values, proteins and all that. Our team is going into the different villages and they are arranging some meeting with the farmers. We are saying only कि हमारे ये benefits है, हमारे ये price है. Person who want to join with us, they can join with us. In that, we have to form a self-help group, and under that self-help group, we will procure the milk and start giving all facilities to them. We are also planning to manufacture curd and buttermilk talk there. But it all depends on the response we get from Goa farmers.
RSS does not support Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch. Views exhibited by RSS heavyweights in Manch are purely personal. BJP State President Vinay Tendulkar cleared in a weekly head-on. Tendulkar said that MLA's assurance to force of bringing a legislation in the winter session of Assembly assuring continuity of grants to English primary schools was a mistake. They do not have the right. It is the government who decides over such matters. He confirmed continuation of alliance with the MGP for Assembly poll.
RSSचे मुखेल फुडारी भाषा सुरक्षा मंचाच्या माचेर वचून सरकाराचेर जाहीर टीका करतात. इट पुट्स बीजेपी इन अ लिटल टाइट स्पॉट.
RSS असल्या हितूर केन्नाच पडना. आरोप करतात RSSची भूमिका नासतली. वैयक्तीक कोणाचे प्रत्येकाची एक स्टेटमेंट आसता. हे संघ म्हणून केन्नाय करिनात.
गजाल क्लियरली भारतीय भाषा सुरक्षा मंचाक सांगतात ती म्हळ्यार तुमची मागणी आम्ही खंयच्याच परिस्थिती भितर मान्य करपाक शकनात. आणि तुम्ही फोर्साक सांगतात की तुमची जी मागणी आसा ती जी मागणी कितें करपाचे हाजेर विचार करया, बट देर इज नो कमिटमेंट.
आमी म्हटलां न्ही की नवीन स्कुलाक इंग्लीश मिडियम हितूर परमिशन दिवचें ना. हेजेर आमी ठाम आसा.
पूण तो कायदो करतलो हाजी तुम्ही कमिटमेंट दिनात.
न्ही ते कितें आसा ते एक सरकार म्हणून पक्ष वांगडा बसून ठरयतले हेजेर.
तुमचे जेन्ना आमदार आझाद मैदानाचेर गेले आनी ताणें सामकें सई बी मारून तें निवेदन दिलें, ताणें पक्षाक किंवा तुमकां विश्वासाक घेतिल्ले ऑर यू आर कन्सिडरिंग इट एज इंडिविज्युअल एक्ट ऑफ युअर MLAs?
खरें म्हणजे ते इंडिविज्युअल गेल्ले, पक्षाक कोणी सांगूं नाशिल्लें. आनी आमदार तशे रिटर्न दिवंक शकना आमी बील हाडटले म्हणून. कारण तें हाडटलो जाल्यार तें एसेंब्लीन हाडपाक जाय.
तुम्ही एक गजाल सांगतात की तुमचे ज्या आमदारांनी वचून ते केले इट वॉज रॉंग. तांकां तो अधिकारच ना करपाचो.
न्ही हावजाची गोश्टी भायर सांगपाचो कोणाकूच अधिकार ना, खंयचेय आमदार आसूं.
आणि ना पक्षाचेर ना सरकाराचेर ती आमदारांनी थंय मारिल्ली सय बांदील आसा.
ना आमचेर बांदील ना, कारण ती वैयक्तीक पक्षान तांकां सांगूं ना थंय वच म्हणून.
तुम्ही युती कडेन कशें पळयतात? तुमची तयारी कशी चल्ल्या? तुम्ही युती गृहीत धरून तयारी चल्ल्या काय युती सोडून तयारी चल्ल्या?
आमची युती गृहीत धरूनच तयारी चल्ल्या.
युती तुटपाची तुमकां शक्यता दिसना.
Babush has declared his first list of 21 candidates for the CCP. Most of the notorious councillors like Uday Madkaikar and Dayanand Karapurkar have made a comeback in the Babush camp. Campaigning will start from today. Babush Montserrat is confident of winning 27 seats out of 30 in the CCP poll. On his plans to revive the UGDP, Babush has applied for the party symbol with the Election Commission.
Babush Montserrat has declared altogether 21 candidates out of 30. Daya Karapurkar and Uday Madkaikar will contest this time. Nagesh Karishetty's wife, Yatin Parekh's wife, and Kabir Pinto Makhija's sister will contest this time as the wards are reserved for women. New candidates have replaced Tony Rodriguez and Carolina Poe. BJP councillor Shweta Lotlikar's husband will contest on Babush Montserrat's panel.
Last time there were some differences where Uday is concerned and all. I think I made a mistake at that time. So we are back. They were always a part of my. Yatin Parekh, that ward office has become a ladies. So there is in his place his wife has gone. These 20 I have announced because I am going to start my campaigning from tomorrow. I am confident. I am telling you to win 27 seats. The same thing what Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has done in Delhi. BJP will face that in Punjab.
This is the list of candidates under Babush panel. Ward number 1, Kanta Shirodkar. Ward number 2, Nazaret Cabral. Ward number 3, Margarida Coelho Fernandes. Ward number 4, Dayanand Karapurkar. Ward number 5, Bento Lorena. Ward number 6, Shubhada Shirgaonkar. Ward number 7, Rahul Lotlikar. Ward number 8, Reshma Nagesh Karishetty. Ward number 11, Suraya Pinto Makhija. Ward number 13, Dinesh Salgaonkar. Ward number 14, Lata Yatin Parekh. Ward number 16, Haresh Kukarkar. Ward number 17, Pashkoela Mashkarenash. Ward number 18, Uday Madkaikar. Ward number 19, Milind Shirodkar. Ward number 20, Sandhya Bandurkar Patil. Ward number 21, Hinesh Kubal. Ward number 26, Lorraine Dias Furtado. Ward number 28, Vitthal Chopdekar. Ward number 29, Vandana Naik Amundkar. Ward number 30, Vivina Nanuskar. Babush Monserrat has not declared his candidates in the ward represented by Surendra Furtado and Ruth Furtado. He is waiting for their reply. Panel manifesto will be released 2 days prior to the election. Babush terms CCP poll as semi-final. He has even expressed his wish to contest assembly poll from Panji. He had said the same thing during the last CCP election.
So Surendra and all, what happened? You need two hands to clap. So when my hand is already there, the other hand should come and clap. This is my semi-final.
Yeah.
So who knows? And tomorrow I may be the candidate for Panjim constituency. My manifesto will come just maybe a week or 2 days before the election. My manifesto is going to be such. It is not going to be with any consultant. My manifesto will be a vision what I have for Panjim, which I always dreamt for.
Babush Monserrat has started reviving UGDP. He has applied for party symbol with Election Commission of India.
I want to form that UGDP party. I am in the process of forming that. But that thing has got to wait till my municipal election, because I am basically tied up here. Otherwise, also the process of formation of the party is taking time. We have lost basically UGDP has lost the symbol. So we have asked for a new symbol. We have already forwarded it to the Election Commission New Delhi. So we are awaiting their reply.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Goa Pradesh Congress Executive Committee will meet today for a brainstorm on the CCP poll strategy. The main agenda set is the CCP poll. Sources say that party may support panel to be floated by the current councillor Rudresh Sodankar. GPCC will decide either way today. Earlier State Congress had decided not to directly participate in the CCP poll, but now with the fresh developments, the executive meet may decide otherwise.
Babush Monserrat has declared his first 21 candidates for CCP poll on Monday. He will start his campaigning from today. BJP is yet to open their cards. Earlier, Congress had decided to stay away from CCP polls, but sources claim that now the party may decide to dive in. GPCC executive meeting today morning will decide their course of action, as the main agenda of the meeting will be CCP election. Meeting may decide to support Rudresh Sodankar's panel. Rudresh Sodankar was earlier a Babush camp member. Later he joined hands with BJP, but now considering the least possibility of BJP considering his inclusion in the panel, he has decided to float his own panel. GPCC Executive Committee will take a decision on whether to back him or not. Rudresh panel may contest candidates in all 30 wards of the CCP. To review its earlier decision of not contesting or supporting any individual, GPCC needs to take a fresh resolution. With this agenda, the State Congress President has called a crucial executive meet. The media will be briefed in the evening. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.